What's up, guys? I just wanted to jump on and do a little training today. So if you have a chance later, you can check this out. Or if you're able to jump on live, that's cool too. So I'm diving into Link Wizard, show you just 3 of the different types of links you can use today. So Link Wizard allows you to create these custom short links. So this would be the basic link type here. You can see the destination link. You'll be able to update this at any time. So if this happened to change for any reason, anywhere you've used your custom short link on the internet, once you come and update this link, it's updated across all the platforms where that link is. So I've had an issue with that before, running paid ads where my website went down and I was using Bitly. So I wasn't able to update this link. I don't know if they've changed this since then, but now that I have Link Wizard, that's not an issue anymore. Basically, I can come in here and update this, and it'll fix any issues like that. So it's got a mobile app too. It's a little easier to use from desktop, but you can log in from mobile and get your links that way. You can add a Facebook pixel here. So this will allow you to retarget people who click your links. And you can customize the preview. So this is what it's going to look like when you share it on social media. One of the things I wanted to show you guys were more of the uncommon items. So Link Wizard, you can do file links, which is pretty useful. Let me open up the group here, and I'll drop one of these in. So throughout the free course that I've done, I do those file links. And basically it's a one-click download, so they can instantly download the PDF that I've attached. And let's see here. This one's actually a workbook that I created, and I call it the Freedom Workbook. It's basically a net worth tracker and a couple other things. I made an amortization schedule, time value of money, calculator. Now I got to remember this password. The password, I password protected it as well. So the password for that is freedom. So you guys can download that and see how that works. You can upload files up to 500 megabytes and password protect them. You don't have to have a password, so it can be an instant click to download. But it's an easy way to share files. You could share ebooks, resources if you're making lead magnets and stuff like that, SOPs if you're working with team members, short videos. It's an easier way than uploading to YouTube or something. You can make a quick Link Wizard link for someone to share a video with them. I also wanted to cover opt-in links. So these are cool because we integrate with Zapier if you set that up. And I'll show you how this looks. So I'll drop this link below as well, and you guys can test this out. So once I go to this link, you can capture name, email, and phone number and customize the button text. So it's almost like a simple landing page. And I'm going to put in my info here. It's going to, I set up a Zap for this, so it's going to send me a text message after I submit this, which you should see on my phone. And then it redirects me to wherever I want to send it. So with Zapier, I can automate a lot of tasks after this this link gets submitted. So there's that text message. And it says, congrats, I've unlocked a new powerful software for you. I've sent the details to your email, so be sure to check your email. And then the next step of that Zap, I can actually unlock that software automatically. And then I've redirected them to whatever page I want, right? So this is a marketing automation toolkit. This is basically my my main lead magnet on my website. So if people submit their info, on my website, they get redirected here as well. I give them a starter account of Link Wizard, so that's one of the benefits of opting into my site. And then I give them some training, additional tools as well, and access to my courses. And it's just a nice little page for reference because I'll be continuing to add to this. So those opt-in links are pretty powerful as well. Those are the 3 basic link types that I use. The main one's obviously just the regular short links. Anytime I want to track a link, or if you're using affiliate marketing, a lot of times those links are real ugly and long. So you can customize them to your own domain, just make them shorter, and that'll help increase the click-through rate. So people want to click those pretty links more than that ugly long mystery link. But file links and opt-in links are 2 very underrated link types in Link Wizard. So I wanted to cover those. Rotating links, if you're in some kind of partnership, those are kind of useful. Or if you want to split test a funnel, you can create a rotating link. So it'll send a person to one domain, then the next, or one page, then the next, every time they click it, even though it's the same link. So that's a way to split test if it's not a built-in function with whatever page builder you're using. We also have a social profile link, and there's a few different design options for this. What's cool is it gives you all the data to see what people are actually clicking, and it's basically a link tree style multi-link page. So you can put your phone here, email, a link right to Messenger, and then as many custom links as you want. You'll have the option to add social links down here as well. So there's a few different designs for that you guys can check out. With those opt-in links, all that data does get stored as well. So not only can you send it to Zapier, but that data is right here. So you can see all that stuff. And so here's that toolkit one. There's my opt-in right there. You can see all this data. Hopefully you're sending it somewhere externally as well right afterwards, just to automate that process. And I do recommend Zapier for that. Even if you get the free plan, you get 100 free zaps per month. So play around with that. It's really powerful. I've started to automate quite a bit of things, and it just frees up your time and headspace. So if you guys have any questions about Link Wizard or what you can do with it, let me know. There's training videos inside here. So if you click this video tab, it'll show you an overview of each link type, how to integrate with Zapier, and all that good stuff right here. You can set up scripts on your site to track conversions and sales as well. So it really is an awesome platform. If you guys need any help with anything, just let me know. I'll probably go through Genius Messenger CRM in one of the next videos in a day or so. But if you guys want to do some kind of group training, or you guys have any questions, I'd be happy to go over anything specific. So I'm going to jump off here for now. Hopefully you guys have a great Thursday, and I'll check you on the next video.